Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. We have a special event coming up the end of this week, June 4th and 5th, the Southeastern Plant Symposium. It's a joint fundraising and educational effort between the J.C. Ralston Arboretum at NC State and Juniper Level Botanic Garden. And a big part of the fundraising is a gigantic plant auction, up to close to 500 different plants in the auction, and you don't have to attend to participate in the auction. You can participate remotely, and links to the auction booklet will be available on the JCRA website and the JLBG website. And the auction closes I think like 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon. A few highlights of the auction: a few Farfugiums of our own breeding. This is Beauty and the Beast, and I guess beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but it is an absolutely amazing mutant form with all these creases and folds in the leaf and these additional little appendages. It has the same yellow daisies in the fall, and there are quite a few different yellow spotted cultivars. This is one of ours we name Sweet Spot. It's a smaller growing one, but really highly spotted with big dots of yellow. They're great shade garden plants, adding interest and color through their foliage. And Wild One is another Farfugium with very different leaves. The typical Farfugium has roundish leaves, but these are variously lobed and deeply divided. Let's see. A beautiful pink variation on fire pinks. Silene virginica. This seed strain is called Chattahoochee Pink. Now, a pink fire pink might sound redundant, but the original meaning of pink was to have a jagged edge. Maybe your mother or grandmother had pinking shears which cut fabric with a zigzag edge, and the fire pinks do have a jagged edge to the petals, but they are typically red, but this is a pink strain. Oh, and a number of different Sinaleases. The Sinaleases are beautiful part sun shade plants, sort of quiet in bloom but gorgeous foliage. Really beautiful when they come up out of the ground in the spring, like little folded umbrellas that then open up. They're fairly fuzzy. This is Sinaleasis hybrida and Sinaleasis glabrata. Subglabrata. But the most amazing ones are these seedlings of a seed strain of Sinaleasis palmata. The name of the seed strain is Houu. It's a Chinese name, but the leaves have many folds in them. Instead of just a leaf in one plane, it has all these folds in the leaf. It's just an incredible leaf on these plants. Again, easy plants for the part sun shade garden. Well, just a few highlights of the offerings in the auction this end of this week. So I hope you'll support both gardens through your participation in the auction. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.